Welcome back.
Dude, what do you think?
I think this thing's killer.
I think you need one of these.
I think I do too.
I think we all do.
There's a bunch of 125s running around.
Yeah, absolutely. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another exciting one for you. For all you CRF125 fans, we now have a big wheel kit for this bad boy. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Let's check it out. Guys, comment. Let me know what you think. I personally think this thing's cooler than the CRF110. I knew it was gonna be hard to top that bike. We have a lot of similar components on it, but overall, with the better suspension and the bigger chassis, this is an awesome mid-size pit bike. We've got the big bike style swing arm on here with the jack shaft. It's the only way we could get that chain to go around the frame and go around the wider tire. We've upgraded this to 23-inch tires, so they're quite a bit larger than the tires we use in the 110. Get you guys a little close-up look here. Just fits this bike so well. A couple of exhaust spacers to get that to clear over. Now, a big downfall in the CRF125, this thing obviously comes with drum brakes in the rear. So this is completely converted to hydraulic. So not only do you get an upgrade with the big wheel kit, now you have hydraulic brakes, which is a huge upgrade. Got the master cylinder right here. Everything is tucked in as far as it can go. You can see even with the jack shaft, it's pretty much in line with the factory foot peg bracket. Same thing on this side. Plenty of clearance. Custom brake pedal goes underneath instead of over the top. It's a little easier to produce on our end. It allowed us to get all the geometry correct right here. Billet triple clamps. Big bike style anti-vibe handlebar mounts. Right down to the billet front hub with a 10-inch wheel. Keep them together real nice. Another cool feature on this, guys, the factory kickstand does work. Completely clears the swing arm. I was real happy about that. Not that I don't want to make billet ones, but it actually gets the cost of the kit down, because there was quite a bit more involved in this kit than the CRF110, just with the dual jack shaft. I'll insert a couple clips of me, I guess, manufacturing them so you guys can see. All this stuff's completely made in-house. Swing arms are completely TIG welded. We have a full CNC machine shop doing all the billet components, right down to the sprockets, the hubs, the triple clamps, even the steering stem. So we've got a billet stem already pressed in. The height's correct with this kickstand. Got a custom key bracket here. Goes to the number plate. Works with our triple clamp. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm super pumped on this bike. If you guys like this bike, definitely comment, subscribe to the channel. We've got tons of cool content coming in the future. Comment on the next bike you guys want to see us do, and we'll see you in the next video.